In this video, I take a look at an ISO that was recently sent to me last month called Windows 10 Plus. I was very interested in seeing what this could be since it sounds like another edition of Windows 10. I installed it to a new Samsung 860 EVO 500GB SSD, which I first put in a laptop, then moved it over to my desktop after the first part of the installation was done. The reason for this being I am more likely to use it on a system that I use every day, and it is also on another drive, not affecting my main Windows 10 installation. I also plan on, after doing the video, to wipe the SSD and to use it for Linux, as it is better to have it on a separate drive in my opinion. It is actually the main reason I got this drive in the first place. At first, I made a mistake and installed the ISO to the wrong drive, but I let it install to that anyways, then put in the correct drive and installed it there as well.
Oh crap, I just realized I've installed it to the wrong drive.
Later, I did try booting the drive I did not want to install it to on that laptop, and it actually would not boot whatsoever. It said no bootable devices, and when I went to manually select it, it stayed on a black screen. I believe this was due to them including drivers in the ISO, which were not meant for the laptop. I decided to try this ISO for a week to see how it performed and for the fun of it. I have no plans on keeping it installed. Anyways, let's now take a look at what this ISO has to offer. Also, note that I'm actually editing the video on Windows 10 Plus, so.
Alright guys, so it is time to boot Windows 10 Plus. I installed it to the SSD and I put it in my computer. I'm going to boot my computer. We're going to go to the boot menu. This is on a separate drive. So, it's not on my main partition. It's not on my main SSD. We're going to see what this ISO has to offer. So, let's boot to the boot menu. Come on. Boot to the boot menu. Alright, so the drive does pop up, the Samsung 860 EVO 500 gig. That's the drive I installed it to, because the other drive, the 970 EVO, is the NVMe SSD, which has my main installation on it. So we're going to boot to the 860 EVO one. Hopefully this works. Did it not work? Oh, Windows Boot Manager. I needed to click the Windows Boot Manager one. Alright guys, it's booting. What does it have to offer? Let's see it. I have no idea what this is because I've never installed it before. And I'm doing this on a separate drive because separate drive is better for this kind of thing than my main drive. Razer popped up in the middle of the stinking thing saying, server access unavailable, please check your network connection. Really, Razer? You're gonna pop up in the middle of the stinking installation? Oh my god, that's actually funny, guys. I've never had Razer pop up in the middle of a Windows installation before. Like, ever. Like, I've had it pop up during an upgrade, but I've never had it pop that up, like, during an installation. This is gonna be so interesting. I wonder what the heck this has to offer. Like, I've never had any Windows do that. I've installed, like, every version of Windows, and I've never had any of them ever do that before. That's a new one. Let's do this again, guys. Alright, Windows Boot Manager. Because it rebooted. I wonder what this ISO is, guys. That's kind of funny that Razer popped up in the middle of it, though. That's actually hilarious. Oh, and now it wants my product key. Well, no, I'm not entering my stinking product key, and this looks old. Oh, no. Get going fast. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. What is this? What did I just install? This
This looks old. They did mention something about the setup looking old, but it's not old. But we will see if that's the case, because I've never heard of a newer version of 10 having an older setup. Unless this ISO is like so modified that they managed to put the older setup in a newer version. I would honestly be surprised. It looks like 2 of my monitors are showing the same thing, but my other one's not lighting up, so I don't know if I have display drivers or not. But we will see. Oh, it says hi. Okay, I don't know if I want to see the catchphrases because I would know the version, so I'm just gonna not look. I don't know what this is. Back in a moment. Okay, is it gonna restart? Oh, it went back to just a moment again. And it restarted. I don't know what that other one said. I wasn't paying attention, guys, so I don't know what that said. You guys saw it, though. Windows Boot Manager. I just boot to the boot menu every time because it's probably gonna default to my main drive if I don't, since my main drive is in the computer. Who owns a PC? I own it. Why would my work or school own this computer right here? I don't want a Microsoft account. Oh my god, it's trying to force me on my— No, skip. Well, I'm gonna name it this because it's Windows 10 Plus. I'm gonna name it Win 10 Plus. This is an older setup, but keep in mind that they did mention it is a newer version with an older setup, but it still looks old. Alright, guys. Did it just reboot again? No, it didn't. Okay, I'm not gonna look. So guys, I'm not reading it. I'm showing you guys what it says, but I'm not reading this because I want to like see the desktop. So I don't know what it's doing at the moment. It's doing its little setup phase. At least we have network drivers because it did show that I wanted to go on a Microsoft account. So we do have the networking drivers off the bat in this ISO. So we will see. Oh, there it goes. It's going to a desktop. Okay, should I look? It is loaded to a desktop, guys. It is loaded to a desktop. I can't show it because the person that sent it to me didn't want the public to see the wallpaper. I guess it's like some special wallpaper. But I will show that it does detect my network, my domain, and now OneDrive is updating. Do I want to allow that? Sure, I'll allow that. Okay, I'm gonna quickly change the wallpaper without seeing anything. Oh my god, all the wallpapers were replaced. Okay, I selected a normal 10 wallpaper because there was a wallpaper in there that was a 10 wallpaper. So, why is the res so huge? Like, what is this res? Let's check the res. What is the res of this display? 1024 by 768. Why? Why is it 1024 by 768? I'm gonna change this. Oh god. Oh god, it just flashed. I think it's installing the driver. Yep. We got the GPU driver, guys, and now it's back to— wait. That's a glitch.
It still says 1024 by 768 when it's not. Okay, guys, so we're now at 1920 by 1080 on the display. So basically, why is the wallpaper spanning across all the displays? So anyways, guys, let's check this out. This, first of all, this icon, this task view is old. Alright, I have 2 desktops now. Hey guys, let's make multiple. Now I have 13 desktops. So you guys can see, we have 13 desktops, but now I'm closing some. Alright, so let's go to the... So, this says Play and Explore, which is newer, but the start menu looks outdated. And why is the store just right in the middle of the stinking thing? Let's open it. Alright guys, I just opened the store, and the store looks really old. Okay, so... I can already tell this is not anything new. Like, I haven't even seen the version yet, and I can already tell this is old. So if I go to Explore, there's the drive I installed it to, and then that's my main partition right there, my main SSD, because they're both 465 gigs, because that's also a 500, and then my storage drive. And there's Home Group, and Home Group was removed in RS4. I wonder what version this is. I should go check. But oh god, the stinking Action Center is to the left. Oh no. Guys, I think this is either RTM or NU. This is not good. I really hope it's not. I don't like either one of them. Both of them are crap. I can't tell which one it is because there's not that many differences. And we don't have color to see if the title bars are different or not. Because I didn't enable it. Let's just check the about. Settings, system. I'm gonna click about. Let's see, what is this? It says Windows 10 Pro, not Windows 10 Plus. It's most likely just based off of Pro. But there's no version number here, which only says one thing. This looks like it's based on 10240. I think. But there's only one way to find that out, guys. We gotta open WinVer. So, we're doing WinVer now, guys. And yes, I did drink a lot of soda, so I'm kind of hyper at the moment. But we're gonna do a WinVer, and we're gonna see what this is. Like, we're gonna see what the build is. So, I'm kind of scared to click this. I'm gonna click OK in like 5 seconds, show you guys, and I'm gonna look at it. What if this is like a stinking insider? Like, what if it's like before it? That'd be pretty funny. Let's do WinVer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I clicked OK. I'm gonna show you guys. So that's what it says. And then I'm gonna move this thing over, and I'm gonna look at it. Oh no, it's 10240. Oh no. Oh no, guys, this is terrible. So basically, this is based on 10240. Now I couldn't show the wallpaper because they said I couldn't, but they said I could show the lock screen. So I'm gonna Windows key L. What is this? That mouse cursor. Why is it so big on that monitor? Like, what? What is this? What is this? This is hilarious. I don't know where this picture came from, guys, but like, that's pretty funny. There is a full screenshot there for you guys, so you guys can see it. But that's apparently our lock screen. They also mentioned there's things in System 32, so let's go in System 32. Alright, so I don't know where in System 32 these apps are. I guess we just have to dig around and look at... Oh, I see AnyBurn setup. I see AnyDesk in here. I'm just gonna keep scrolling, guys, and see what we can find. Oh, that looks like a VMware tools or something. I'm gonna keep scrolling. Ew, BG info. Ew. Not that program. Ugh. Blue Screen Simulator. Let's check that out, actually. Let's simulate a blue screen, guys. I'm just gonna have it give the air. That looks so realistic. I don't know how to get out of this. We might have to actually wait. Okay, guys. We're probably gonna have to wait for this. I'm just gonna resume the video when this goes away. So guys, I had to actually sign out and sign back in because I didn't know how to get out of it. So we're gonna resume to where we were with these applications they put in System 32. It's kind of hard to see what they put in here and what they didn't. But maybe we can just sort it by the date modified. That might help. So here we go. Here's a lot of the programs. Why is there a batch file called run me as admin? That had to have been something they put. I kind of want to edit this file to see what it is because I'm curious, but I don't know if I should on video or not. There's also this batch file called startup. There's AnyBurn setup, Crystal Disk Info, Microsoft Edge setup. Why is Roblox in here? They put Roblox Player and a Roblox Studio. They put VirtualBox, VMware. I don't know what WinOBJ is, and what RAM map is, and I don't know what a lot of these files are. Rootkit Revealer, what the heck is that? Auto log on, and it's an exe. Oh, you know what it looks like? A lot of these sysinternals applications are installed here. That's what it is. So I'm gonna keep scrolling because it seems like a lot of them are. If you guys know what some of these programs are, leave a comment. Because I don't know what a lot of these programs are. There's so many. Oh, they included Not My Fault.
so I can blue screen my system. Thank you. I'm not going to blue screen it on this video though, no thanks. What other programs are there? BG Info, which is terrible. SysInternals blue screen. I wonder if that's gonna blue screen my system. Oh no, it's a screensaver. Let's open it. I'm gonna open a blue screensaver, guys. That is so fake. Wait, did it actually blue screen the computer? Did it actually blue screen the system? No, it didn't. It didn't. I was able to get out of it. So, more random files. Ultra VNC, Parsec, looks like Snappy Driver installer. There's a Ninite, and there's a Minecraft installer. Intel drivers, VirtualBox guest editions. Can you stinking stop, AMD? I don't care. Oh, now it says my phone's overheating. That's great. I'm going to let my phone cool down. Alright, guys, so basically we are back. I needed to let my phone cool down. I'm getting awfully tired just sitting here, but, so basically we have some drivers in here. I saw VirtualBox, more VMware stuff. What? I don't know what Notifier is. What's a Notifier? I just tried running it. It says it's from Microsoft, but it doesn't do anything. Does it open anything in the tray? No, it doesn't. I don't know what that is. Notifier toast icon is nothing. Yeah, I really don't know what I just ran. Maybe it's some Microsoft file. And the rest looks like it's, since they're all 2015, it's probably just the Windows files. But we're gonna run the Ninite since I want to see what programs this installs on here. So let's click yes and just let it install whatever it wants. Oh my god, this is a lot of software. Firefox, Opera, Chromium, Chrome, Air, Silverlight. You guys can just read all these. This is way too many applications, but I get... Oh no, not Zoom! Oh no! Oh no, not Zoom. What is this Ninite? I'm pretty sure they selected like every single program on the Ninite and told them to all install. So yeah, I may need to just uninstall a lot of this stuff afterwards because about more than half of these I wouldn't even use. So that's great. But a lot of these probably won't even install due to incompatibilities. So this is insane, guys. I don't even know what I'm doing. I don't even know why it's installing all this crap on my computer. Well, it's on a separate drive, so at least for that, which I am gonna later on install like Linux to that drive, because the reason I got that drive was so that I could have a separate drive for Linux for my computer, because I don't really like dual booting on the same drive, so that's why I got that drive. So after I'm done with this, I'm gonna end up putting Linux on that, but I will edit this video on Windows 10 Plus, so you guys will be seeing this edited on Windows 10 Plus. So this video you're watching right now was edited on this. I'll probably end up... I might either leave these installed or uninstall them. I'm not entirely sure. But I might definitely uninstall Zoom, because Zoom just... Who uses that Zoom? Oh, I'm gonna zoom in on Zoom, guys. There, I zoomed into Zoom. That piece of crap program. Oh, what is this?
I don't know what that program is. Pigeon. I don't know what that is. But I guess I will see. There's so many programs on here. And I don't even know what all these are. Holy crap, the desktop just got full of so many icons. Some of these aren't installing because of .NET Framework. It looks like, oh, Windows 10 AU or above. Not supported because of 4.7. This one was skipped because it needs 4.6.2, which is supported. I'm surprised I didn't include .NET 4.6.2 in this. I guess that won't install then. I might go back and install more programs from the System32 folder that was not in the 9.9. And I might install a ton of my programs on it just to see how many programs I can get on here for fun. I'll show you guys. I'm gonna try and get a ton of things installed, and I'll show a screenshot of the desktop. I'm gonna leave all this installed, actually. I'm just gonna disable all the startup items, and I'm gonna install as much stuff as I can on this. Cause why not, guys? Why not install like 10 billion things to this, even if I'm not gonna use it? I'm just gonna like run every single installer from my installers. And I might pin a ton of icons as well, even though I won't use them. Cause why not? So I'll show you guys a screenshot about now. Alright, you guys are seeing the screenshot there. So that's a lot of pinned stuff and a lot of desktop icons. Is they still installing? Yes, they're still installing. Holy crap. And then my dog's in here. Hi, dog. What are you doing, dog? What's up? This is a lot of programs. Yeah, I'm gonna run all my installers after this for fun. But yeah, you guys will see the video, and it's gonna be so funny because it's basically showing Windows 10 Plus, but editing it on Windows 10 Plus. So it's basically Windows 10 Plus on Windows 10 Plus. So that's gonna be pretty funny to actually see me edit this on that. It is still installing applications. I will come back when this is done. So guys, it had finally finished installing all of this. I also realized that I do have another installer in another place that may install a lot more applications, but I don't know if it's gonna work or not. But my goal is I'm gonna try and get as many things installed on this as possible, just to see like how it works with all those programs on it, cause why not? So we're gonna close that installer now. And another thing we're gonna do when I go back through here is I can install some of these later, but I'm just going back through it again just to show. But I can go back through, and if there's any installers, I will run them, because I'm sure there are some installers in here that I can go back and run. And my dog's in here again, running into everything. Oh no. Dog, lay down. Please settle. Okay. But anyways, guys, I don't know if there's really anything else to this. I don't know if there's anything I'm missing. Oh god, there's a lot of apps now. So you guys could see there is a lot of apps installed on this now. But I'm gonna like later pin a ton of stuff. Even if it's stuff I'm not gonna use, I'm just gonna pin it for the fun of it, even if I'm not gonna use it. But I'll edit this on Windows 10 Plus, so you guys will be seeing this on Windows 10 Plus. So the weird thing though about this is the fact that when you go to settings, system, about, it says Windows 10 Pro, not Plus. They should have changed this to say Plus, and it would have been more accurate. I may go and edit that because I'm pretty sure you can edit that in the registry somewhere. So I'll probably go and edit that through the registry. Alright guys, well I'm going to end it here pretty much, but I don't know why the search isn't showing It looks like it's hidden. Let's show the icon and see if it works. Doesn't look like it. Throw shirts box. Yeah, it looks like the search is bricked. Yeah, the search is not working for some reason. I'll just leave it there for the heck of it, even though I can't click it. Because I can still see it at least. At least it's still on the taskbar. It doesn't work though. But I can just use a different search, like search everything, which was installed on here. Which I do actually use this program. I believe I have this installed on my main installation. This is a very useful program because you can search things on this program and it finds them in like 2 seconds. So I would definitely recommend this program because this program's actually pretty good. It searches a lot faster than Windows Search. Like, I can open it and just type like the letter A. Well, I don't know if I'll just search Windows. And it pulls up every folder, any file that has to do with Windows. There's already a Windows BT folder. I'm guessing it's probably trying to upgrade the system. Maybe. What is it trying to upgrade the system? I don't know. Looks like it's trying to upgrade to 18362, which is 19H1. But for this, I'll probably just end up stopping it. Is it even trying? Oh god, it's already pending a restart. But it says waiting to install, not requires a restart, so it looks like it didn't actually install yet. But I can easily just go into here and delete the folder. And then it can't, because it's gone. But yeah, guys, I will edit the video on this so that you guys will be seeing this on that. But I'm gonna stop this because this video got super long. But this was an ISO that was sent to me by some random person. So I'm not gonna say who it is though, because I don't know. I might ask them, I don't know. But some random person sent me this, so yeah, that was a random ISO that was sent to me, like a couple weeks ago, I believe, or a week ago. But anyways, thanks for watching this. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this, and they did mention that even though it had the older setup, it was newer, and it wasn't newer, so I don't know. Maybe they were trying to trick me or something. I really don't know. But, I mean, to me, it just looks like Windows 10 Pro with files added in System 32. So, anyways, if there's anything else... Oh yeah, broken search. And it looks like there's no Edge either. I don't know if it was uninstalled entirely, or... Oh, I don't see it in here. I can install the new Edge, because I saw the new Edge in the System 32 folder, so I'll just install that. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and tell me what you think of this ISO in the comments. Good thing I installed this to another SSD, which I did put in my other computer, and then I switched it over, because I don't like to install Windows with multiple drives in for reasons. Because it usually likes to put stuff on other drives when you do that for whatever reason. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and bye.
So yeah, guys, that was Windows 10 Plus. I wanted to add on just this extra minute to the video because the interesting thing is when I tried running some of those other installers in System 32, it actually kept giving errors, and you guys are going to be seeing screenshots of the bizarre errors I got when trying to install some of them in System 32. It was like the weirdest thing ever. I've never encountered that. So keep note that if you ever put an application exe in System 32 to install it, it most likely isn't going to behave correctly because it's in that folder. And also, after I get this video edited, I'm going to end up going back to my other main partition, as I'm not going to be using this anymore because I've only used it for a week and that's it, just to see how it was. Honestly, it wasn't too bad, other than that it's an older version of Windows 10 and that less features, and the fact that I cluttered the crap out of it with a ton of random programs I would never use. But thank God that I can go back to my main partition after this and have a newer version of Windows. Thank God. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.